Calculate. Minus 21 square. I want to find the value of this. Solution. Minus 21 square. The first thing is to express this as what? Minus 21 times minus 21. Then minus times minus is what? That's plus. So it means that the answer to this problem will give us positive. In summary, once you have negative sign inside and you are squaring a number and the number you have inside is a negative number, then the answer is going to be positive. So this is going to be positive answer. So for us to solve this further, let's multiply 21 by 21. 21 by 21. So we do that. 1 times 1 from the back, we have 1. 1 times 2, what do we have? We have 2. Then we use 2 again. 2 times 1, we have 2. 2 times 2, what do we have? 4. So adding, we have 1. 2 plus 2, we have what? 4. Then we have 4 here. So it means that 21 by 21 will give us 441. So the final answer to the problem that we're trying to solve, minus times minus is plus. So we have plus 441, which is the same as what? 441. That is the solution to the problem.